What's up, guys? This is a KitchenAid side-by-side refrigerator. I'll let you have a look at it so you can compare it to yours. Model number is inside here. See right there. Okay, the issue is when you push the dispenser button to let out ice, here's what happens. The little door opens, there's a chute door right there. It opens, but the auger does not rotate, which has already been replaced. Some things you can troubleshoot. Make sure that it's not completely frozen up in here. If you got ice in there, make sure it's not completely just a block of ice down low where the mechanism is that rotates ice down in there. Make sure that's not completely frozen. So take that out. But the actual auger motor is underneath there, and I got another video on that I'll put a link to. But make sure none of this is completely frozen. But that little door down at the bottom there, if it's opening, that should tell you that the pad is good. The little solenoid actuator is good. Make sure it's your on switch, of course, the simple stuff. Make sure that's all basic and simple. If you've tried all of that, you've tried replacing this board even, you've tried replacing the pad even, if none of that works, here's what you do. Open the door, come down to the bottom, look at the wiring, look at this blue wire. The blue wire is completely, if it will focus, there you go. The blue wire is broken. And it's just from years of opening and closing the door. So, you probably have to do a little bit of soldering because it's too small to try and do a wire nut setup. So you'll need to be a decent at soldering, and you'll have to solder that and heat shrink it back together. And hopefully that will solve the problem. Makes sense? So anyway, there's what you troubleshoot, and that's how you can solve it. Check out other videos. We got all kinds of cool stuff on our channel that may help you. And if our video saved your life, make sure you click the thanks button underneath the video screen and shoot us a donation. Y'all have a good day.